Very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masarase. My name is Ronald Makusha, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Chauya, Operation Chauya, launched in and around Zimbabwe, and it has started live from Harare. Guys, a lot of work is being done, especially in the urban centers of Zimbabwe, Harare to be precise. Let us take a look on what is really happening on the ground today, 12 March 2023. Vanhu ground vaiwa chakachaya, chakabhena, chakaherereka. Everything is going on well. Voter registration is on. Voter education blitz is on. So two things are running concurrently. There is a voter registration blitz ZEC from today up to the 21st. There is a voter registration a voter education blitz which is being done by Citizens Coalition for Change. These are volunteers vari parod vari kubata basa. They've sacrificed their time with their families, with their businesses, with their friends kuti vaende vachinodzidzisa vanhu chakanakira kuvhota uye chakanakira vanhu kuti vange vachirejista kuvhota uye kuti zvinhu zvacho zvinofamba sei. This is the picture you are seeing right here on the screen. Things are going well. Zviri kufamba zvakanaka, Team Zimbabwe, to those who are in Harare. And this is another picture. Let me try to put it right here on the screen. This is the second picture. And let us get to this video. So the message is clear. Chibaba baba chimdara chacho Ndimakuruwani, that is advocate knows Chamisa. Let me try to pause this. Right, so this is Cecilia Chimbiri, who said that Chauya is activated. Good morning, Budiro residents. It pleases you welcome us and let's register to vote together. We can. And this is what is really happening. And Dr. Chipo, may you post an easy to distribute flyer like the one Honorable Mamombe made for Harare West with the dates and location for the blitz. Maybe you didn't see it. It's everywhere. In fact, that's what we distributed to residents of Budiro yesterday, hence their presence today, and below mentioned centers of calls door to door. So guys, this is Budiro North constituency, and ndochinhu chacho icho guys chakatogadzirwa kudhara kuti voter registration iri kuitirwa papi nepapi. So zvatazvoona every constituency inacho chinhu chakadai. So zviro kuti Citizens Coalition for Change guys vakarongeka, zvinhu zviri kufamba zvakanaka. Iwo nene, let us do our part. 1+5 zviro kuti wakaregister kuvhota, woenda unoeducata 5 vasina kuregister kuvhota. Make sure kuti they are registered and make sure kuti vari kuziva the reason why they are getting into this election and the reason why they are actually going to vote. Not only vote, but to vote for change the nation of Zimbabwe. So Team Zimbabwe, I love you all. Let us continue to support our political organization. Let us continue to support our leaders who are on the ground fighting for change. So Team Zimbabwe, the Chauya Diani, you know was Chibaba Baba. Chimdara advocate is the next president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. No doubt about it. But we are the champions are going to make sure that anobva apinda mukomana. So haasi kufanira kupfekera, arifanira kunyatsopinda, which means we have to overwhelmingly defeat ZANU PF. My name is Ronald Makusha.